Hey, Al Williamson here with Leading Landlord. I got an expense reduction tip for you today, and it's about Green Gobbler. Now, Green Gobbler is an environmentally friendly drain cleaner, drain opener. So if you have a clog, you don't need to plunge anymore. You don't need to go and get your drain snake and snake the line anymore, or get under the sink and take apart the P-trap anymore. Okay? So what you do is, if it's a sink or a tub, you start off with one of this plastic snake hair remover, and you push this down the drain all the way, and you pull it back out and remove all the hair and gunk that you can. And then, even if the drain is clear, you pour in one of these pre-measured packs, okay? It's a powdered pack. You pour it into the drain and you let it sit for 15 minutes, all right? And then you flush with hot water and your clog should be gone. That's it. You don't need to use the plunger anymore. You don't need to disassemble anything or get out a snake or anything anymore, okay? Now, plungers, even though they're great tools, is that they push whatever's the blockage down the line, and it can eventually build up. It's possible that they can build up down the line, and you have to go and hire a rooter company. Doing it this way, which dissolves the clog and dissolves everything down the line, you don't have to worry about the blockage just being postponed for another day, okay? That's why I want you to use an environmentally friendly drain cleaner. All right, this stuff I got at Home Depot. It is $10 for 3 packages. It's just incredibly inexpensive. And they have a liquid dissolver product that's $12 that really goes to work if you have an extra clog. So at most, you could do 2 packages of these if you have a super hard clog, okay? And that's only $6. Versus you go getting a rooter company or a plumber, they're gonna cost you $150 to snake your line. And if you do it yourself, if you snake your own line, you gotta clean up the mess, you gotta capture the nasty water, you gotta clean up your snake afterwards and oil it and keep the rust off. It's just a mess. And you just don't need to do any of that anymore. And even if you did snake your own line, you're still not gonna do it as good as this $3 package of environmentally friendly drain opener. So remember that. If you're a landlord, have your tenants do the work, okay? They don't need to wear gloves. It's environmentally friendly. It takes no skill, all right? You don't need to go take care of the blockages anymore. That's what I'm sharing with you. I don't need to go and take care of blockages anymore. So it's a completely new day because we have environmentally friendly products. These products have been used in the wastewater treatment industry for years, okay? So they're already proven products. We know that they remove surfactants, can dissolve grease, can dissolve hair. It's been done in the wastewater treatment world for years. And so that's way down line, okay? We just take the same products and they bring it up line to the point of use. That's what's going on. It's not snake oil. Go get some, stop using the plunger, put away your drain snake. All right, Al Williamson, Leading Landlord, trying to save you a ton of money. I'll talk to you later.